In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make fields mandatory in Monday.com. Making certain fields required is a great way to keep your data clean and make sure your team never skips important information. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to turn any supported column into a required field and what that actually looks like for anyone using your board. First, open the board where you want to make a field mandatory. Locate the column you'd like to require. This could be a status column, a date column, a text column, or a numbers column. Most commonly, people use this for things like task status, due dates, or key details that must not be left blank. Now move your cursor up to the column header at the top of that column. On the right side of the header, you'll see the three dots icon, sometimes called the More menu. Click those three dots to open the column options menu. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click Settings. This will open a submenu with configuration options specific to that column. In the Settings submenu, find and select the option that says Set Column as Required. Once you click this, Monday.com will immediately mark that column as mandatory for the entire board. You'll know it's worked when you see a small red asterisk appear next to the column name in the header. That red asterisk is your visual indicator that this field is now required. Anytime someone tries to create or update an item in that board, they'll need to fill out that column before they can save or move on. This feature currently supports up to 100 required columns per board across supported types like status, date, text, and numbers. It's a good idea not to overdo it, though. Think about which fields are truly essential for your workflows and start by making just those mandatory. That way your team is guided to fill in what matters without feeling blocked by too many requirements. If you ever change your mind, you can repeat the same steps, return to the column settings, and turn off the required option. The red asterisk will disappear, and the column will go back to being optional, and that's all there is to it. By setting key columns as required, you help standardize how information is captured in Monday.com, reduce missing data, and keep your projects running smoothly.